Waddy Skunks, Avenger of Ratchet and Clank. U-Force.
Captain's log. Stardate, let's call it Wednesday. Released from public service, former President Quark decided to retake the mantle of righteousness, to serve as the people's perennial protector, to defend the galaxy with the vigor of a true hero. And the galaxy? Well, the galaxy has never been so...
What?
boring. This is just sad. He lost the election like 3 months ago.
Feel sorry for him. Me too.
Don't you think it's time for an intervention? I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to life in the private sector.
There is one question. Yes, Lisa? How long you and Tiger know each? Well, we know it. So we're good friends on an island called Sodor. Hello, friends? Yes, she be human too.
Computer, find me something to shoot.
Sorry, dude, we got none on the radar. Have an awesome day, though. Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
Oh my. Ratchet fell to Hagen and Raleigh. So sorry, thanks.
It's okay, Ratchet. It happens.
Don't worry, they're just friends. Okay, Hingle. Yeah, okay. Are you fingering with my finger? Huh? Yes, that's good. But first, we need to get Captain Coordinator. Let's find out. Wait. Hey, sis. Yes, sis. It's Freddy. I don't know. He's fall asleep. Cute Freddy. Yeah, cute Freddy. Oh, hey sis. Hey sisters. What you do? What's going on here? Oh man. Will you marry me? Yeah. Oh, I love you, Easy. Long times. Wait. With my friends on another. And old friends. Yeah. I like my old friends and new friends. Oh, I'm single. What the?
Good evening, Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life?
A shadowy supervillain. This is perfect.
He can't be serious.
I don't trust Quark, Nefarious.
I don't trust him too. Yeah.
What do you think he wants? Money? No, power. No, money and power. Who cares what he wants? We finally get to shoot
I'm trying to execute, so we can just ship the detention back this way for death. Oh, for crying out loud! As I was saying, I have deactivated 3 planetary defense centers in this sector, plunging each location into total chaos. Oh, splendid! Hungarian marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder who could have called them. are permitted to each location. If I even smell a single Polaris defense trooper, I will deactivate every station in the galaxy.
Who are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Who are you? Looks like on two fingers that I don't. I have paws on it. White and fun and foxy. Yeah. Who are you? What? Wait. Are you not? Are you a fan of Cattle Clone? Like fox? Yes. Also, you know what's Wait, cat? Meow. Listen. Ooh, that's a good one. Nice.
Someone who doesn't like Captain Quark very much. Someone he failed.
What?
You know what this calls for?
I know!
Cook?
Don't say it!
I'll tell you what this calls for.
He's gonna say it.
The Q-Force!
He said it.
Hail!
Does he? Does he always does? Yes. Yeah, you're right. I have a dragon. I have a dragon with me and Nana tried. He tried and tried and you, a skunk of blue eyes. Yes, master.